Hello everyone. Wait, before I actually how do I say? Before I start anything, I'm gonna put the link of the YouTube and then the Twitch and then boom. We're done. Yep. Bye, Scarlett. Um. So so far, what we have done is work. I have made the ragdoll work properly this time. Now it doesn't bug at all. It's like much more it's pretty well coded now. I In off stream I optimized the ragdoll to the point that it's now much more smoother. I think it's not that noticeable, but it's better than how it was like before. So I joined the game now. I think the walk speed is like pretty noticeably high. Hi Darsh, क्या कर रहे हैं? By the way, my brother is playing with me. He is like literally beside me. पिंग मेरा अच्छा नहीं है. रुक 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 रुक. 100 पिंग आ रहा है मेरे को. चल लेट्स गो. पिंग लैग हो रहा है बे. इजी. भाई तो रूकी मिस्टेक लिया मेरे से. कॉम्बोज ये गेम में बहुत स्ट्रांग है. और हाँ, ये गेम में स्पैम नहीं करना चाहिए बिल्कुल. ये गेम में स्पैम नहीं करना चाहिए. कब से वही कर रहा था ना तू? नहीं, देखो टाइम करना अपने मूव्स. क्योंकि मैं स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ भाई सेम इंटरनेट में. MMA games on Roblox. Love to see it, homie. Oh, hi. It's actually a kickboxing style game. Huh? हाँ. क्या? Oh, wait. Just a minute. Huh. Boxing, even better. Yeah, it's like kickboxing, I would say. Uh, so basically those kinds of fights. Uh, Mister, how are you though? Like, how's everything? Okay, I'm gonna try calling my testers, and I don't know why my file was open. I think I'm just gonna call everyone. I don't know, whoever joins, they join. Like, it's now a public test. If you wanna join the Discord, you can do the. I mean, there's a command here you can see on the top right. And oh yeah, I'm gonna share the game link to my chat also. The game is public right now. Yep, I, I think that's enough. Oh yeah, these are the main testers of the game. Uh, Everyone they can join right now. दस मैं तेरे को कोच करूँ कैसे ये गेम खेलना? नहीं, तू खुद सीख गया. I think I'm gonna call our lead tester right now. Wait, I haven't friend him? That's crazy. Yo. Okay, the internet is pretty trash in my house. Yeah, right. Come here. हाँ, तू स्पैम कर रहा है मूव्स. तेरे को ना थोड़ा टाइम करना है मूव्स. राउंड टू. नाइस वन. पिंग लैग. पिंग लैग हो रहा है. अबे यार पिंग लैग हो गया मैं. Obviously my connection is gone. Amazing, my connection is gone right now. Okay, I'm dead, apparently. Nice. देश में क्या बोलते स्ट्रीम बस पॉज कर दिया कुछ कर दो क्योंकि इंटरनेट जा रहा है मेरा. मतलब स्ट्रीम ऐसा पॉज कर मेरा पीछे है ना. ये पॉज कर अभी कर. हाँ, मतलब इंटरनेट जा रहा है. ये हम लोग सेम इंटरनेट में ऊपर से है. Yeah, I think my internet's really bad. I'm gonna rejoin again. Ragdoll कैसे लगा? Why did Roblox add moments? Let's see some Roblox moments, you know. Okay, what is this? What? What the hell is this? Guys, who cares about Roblox moments? We can watch TikTok, right? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? Okay, bro's playing rivals now. Bro, guys, are we gonna have TikTok brains on Roblox now? I mean, TikTok is already like really bad. What the fuck? What's the point, right? Danny Silverback. Nice name, brother. Okay, so far nobody's coming right now since I think it's just the wrong time to do it. So I'm just gonna uh we have done the ragdolls and stuff, and right now I have to wait for the UI and all, and it won't be possible for me to like uh do anything else. So I would actually make my own server authoritative character so that we can like eliminate like most of the movement cheats and stuff. That's like first, if I want to make this game more like less exploitive, I have to first make everything a server authoritative. So basically, server authoritative means is that the server like handles the stuff, like handles the like main logic, and then the client only like focuses on the visuals. Those are like the main things about server authority. So I did make a server authoritative character on Roblox, like using like a physics engine I made. It's a little bit clunky, I would say. Like I actually use like a collide and slide algorithm, but it's kind of not nice in a way. Like, I mean, the movement is pretty janky and stuff, but still, it's genuinely nice in a way. Like, but the physics and all, they need to like have some work on it. Look, so these are the bugs that I'm having problem with. However, it's like fully server authoritative. Like, uh, when you like try to move around here and there. So, for example, like, like, oh, I actually closed it. I'm gonna go. Oh, I actually closed it. I'm gonna go again. See the server character was established. Then we added the character. Server character was established. Then we added the character since we like initialized. Then the client character was like established since I'm like using the same script to like handle the tick cycles and stuff. Uh, yeah, if I really wanna like teleport, oh, my bad, I'm like pausing it for some reason. Okay, if I want to like move the character, this is where like the movement is like going through and stuff. So it's like if I'm gonna do it 100 through and stuff. So it's like if I'm gonna do it 100, the character is going to be here. See, it has like made everything much more easier now. Like, however, I still need to like work on those things. So the real bottleneck of the system is the physics and nothing else right now. Like doing the networking is actually pretty easy. You just have to like do some research and stuff. So right now I'm gonna like work on the physics of this. I already like started working on like how I can make have the right physics. Yeah. Like I made this first work. Now I wanna like make it. Bro was still playing GTA 5. That's crazy. I mean, bro, you should get GTA 6 or something. दोस्त तू GTA 6 खेलेगा? क्या था वो? Yeah, this is the physics engine version 2 I'm working on. This is called like this is called uh I'm using like XPBD for this. What before used was like classical dynamics, which is just it's like pretty much like physics nerdy stuff, I would say. Yeah, I'm gonna remove all this stuff. Yeah, this is the code I've worked on right now for my new physics engine. It's using STEM for here. Yeah, this is the Yeah, this is how it really works. It uses like a C of X constraint, like a, how do I say? It uses a constraint function. Uh, like there are a lot of like mathematical things to learn for this, and I kind of forgot how the system works. So let's go through like together with this. Um, Hello. So what we are seeing here is like getting the we got the restitution, the sub steps, basically like yeah, we have angular, diagonal. I think I'm gonna recode this or something so that I can like have a much more stronger base again, because it's better to like recode stuff so that it's much more clear in your head, because right now it's not clear in my head right now. I'll get the XPBD, it's position based dynamics research paper. Uh, let's go through that. Uh, Request full text PDF. Okay. Nah, bro, I don't. Nah, it's actually free. We can go here. This one is a much more reputable website, I would say. Yep. Yeah, this is the document I was talking about. Uh, PBI. I think I need to like open Claude or something. I'm gonna open Claude, but I don't really want to show what I do really in my Claude. Oh wait, I actually have to pay the subscription also. Wait, I'll just do it on my phone real quick so that I don't leak any details and stuff. It's like much more easier doing it on phone. Yep. Mm, okay. Mm, Uh, okay, I'm back. It's so annoying. Like getting things done is like really annoying now at this point. Like getting someone else. But I'm tired of this shit. I don't want to rely on people. I'll just wait. Close my display for now. I don't want to show anything. Uh, I have to. Our cloud was already open, so I have to like open it again. I'm gonna open like co-work. I'm gonna make a new project. That's gonna be like related to like PVD, PVD physics. Since I'm using that, uh, so I have to close the display just for now. Like, just for now. I think that's good enough. Yeah. I'm gonna use Opus 5 for this. Um, I don't know how I would say. Uh, I'm gonna be working on like Silver 30. How do you say like Claude? Um, or चुप तेरी गाड़ी मैं भी लेके जाऊँ Okay. Right. Like you to help me make a to help me research about like PBD physics for for making an so making a server authoritative character. I'm gonna use high effort for this server authority, and this is gonna be a research, so it's gonna take a lot. No. Shut up! I'm talking to my viewers. You understand, my brother? Stop screaming for once. ठीक है जाते जाते मेरे को क्या है? Okay, I would like you to help me research about XPBD physics for making server authoritative character um, with OBB slash AABB for making collisions. I want to replicate the Roblox physics, Roblox character in the Roblox character movement. 35 के सीढ़ी 120 मंगा रहा हूँ चुप बकता बहुत है आजकल भाई Do you understand what I'm saying? Then I think that's good enough. I want to replicate the Roblox character movement uh, for, for R6. I mean, it's really the same thing. On Roblox. And now it's gonna do some research and stuff. Okay, I did. But this is a paper I don't know. I haven't seen. Why do you have to purchase the PDF? It's literally a free fucking PDF. Yeah, this one. I think this one was it. Bro, I got a free PDF of this somewhere. I think it was a survey. It was literally a free fucking PDF. I think I have to look into my files and stuff. But I'm not gonna show you my files, guys. I don't wanna show anything. Okay, position-based dynamics. I hope, I hope there's nothing. I hope, wait. PBD. I'm gonna search PB. Shut up, man. You're kinda annoying, man. Okay. What the fuck is wrong with this, man? This is a free PDF. Where the fuck it is now? Oh, we have Xperia apparently? Huh? Duh. Fucking duh, bro. I guess I'm gonna, inside Roblox, not my custom engine or anything. Inside Roblox, no. Uh, this, nothing, no. What should I wait mostly? I just want just XPVD software math and constraints. OBB, AB, AABB, detection plus resolution. Okay, that's good. Enable. Um, uh, I'm not gonna use this now. Okay, let Claude like get this stuff working. Meanwhile, I can just ban this bot. Who cares? I don't know how it doesn't really get banned. Yeah, get wrecked, fucking bot. You scum. Okay, meanwhile it's working. I can show you how the PVD physics works. So this is how it generally works. Like I actually added restitution to this. So I'm gonna like, yeah, see? So the bouncing also really works, like the restitution. Okay, where the fuck is my part? Oh, it's done, gone. It's like fucking gone. Nah, bro, nah. Wait, I'm gonna put it here somewhere. Yep. Like I really like wanna just research on how it's gonna be done and stuff. Hip height leg reka slash flow. Okay. All that crap. Jump off 50, slope limits. Yep. I I'm not like looking at this. Okay. I'm gonna look at the Ooh, what's that? Chicken yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good reference, honestly. I can use, but right now I'm just like working on some other stuff. Yeah, Chicken uses AABB collisions. Yep, collision response, spam crash, Copelia, Sim, Vortex. Hmm. It's all like really interesting stuff. It's just normal physics, I would say, that Chickenoid was worked on. I think I'm gonna later make this like open source. I mean, I have to see first if it works properly or not. Hey, nice legs, bro. Okay, it gone through like 100 of these. Wow. Okay, physics tab, chipmunk, game dynamics. Oh, I think yeah, I can just refresh my mind. Um, there was like a PBD tutorial. What the fuck? PBD, uh, physics, math, like. So going through these ones. Oh, yeah, first order particle constraint based solver. Okay. I'm using PBD because it's only using vectors. It's not like using anything as like, physics and all the constraint stuff. I'm gonna make my physics like PBD first since I really like how like embarrassingly like parallel it is. So embarrassingly parallel means like I can use like parallel like multi stripping to actually like make it more optimized, I would say. First, I need to get the basics working. So I'm gonna watch some videos regarding this. I hope I can.
My name's Chris Lewin. I'm a physics
Jump! Oh!
engineer at EA Seed. I'm going to tell you about my investigations into real-time multiphysics simulation using the material point method. Specifically, I want to introduce the idea of combining position-based dynamics with MPM in order to have stable simulations at low frame rates. The simulations you see in this presentation were all simulated in real time and contain up to 500,000 particles. The 3D simulations are executed on the CPU in our internal framework Halcyon, and the 2D simulations are executed.
It's done through CPU. That's crazy. Uh, Inter. Oh, Ninja, welcome to the stream. 27. Yeah.
On the GPU.
Right now, I'm like making my own physics engine to make server 30 character work.
In a framework that we're open sourcing.
Ooh.
You can check out the project here and even run it in the browser right now if you want to.
Oh, really? Electronic arts. Wait. Try the demo now. Electronic arts. electronicarts.github.io. Wait, electronic arts? That's crazy. Oh yeah, I got it. Wait, is it like real EA? Oh, this is an EA. EA employee. That's crazy. Oh fuck, I have to like log in? Nah, bro, nah. I'm just gonna use I'm gonna use a different sign-in method for this. Go fast! Why it's so slow? Well, oops, it's not there apparently. This physics simulation, why it's not there? I literally signed into fucking GitHub.
Before going into the specifics of these techniques, I want to talk a bit about the priorities we have in game physics simulation. It's well known that game physics simulations have to execute extremely quickly, but the most problematic requirement is actually stability. Game physics simulations have to happen completely autonomously, and usually the player has some kind of input into the simulation as well, which can potentially be very violent. This severely constrains the methods that we can use. Typically, rigid body simulation is the only kind of physics that is allowed to affect gameplay. This is not a great representation of the real world, because many common phenomena are not well represented as rigid bodies. So, one of the things I'm interested in as a games physics researcher is finding more general multi-physics simulation methods that are compatible with these restrictions, so that we can potentially have richer and more dynamic game worlds in the future. This is why I've been looking at NPM. While trying to adapt NPM for use in games, I managed to create a version of the algorithm that has a much higher degree of stability than standard explicit integration, while remaining just as easy to implement. I call this the position-based material point method, or PBMPM. But before describing that, I'll briefly recap standard NPM. Now, I don't have enough time to fully describe it NPM, and anyway, it's already been done very well by the SIGGRAPH course, which I'm more or less recapping here. Most descriptions of NPM start from continuum mechanics, which can make it rather intimidating, but I don't really think it's necessary to know this in order to use the method. So I'm going to offer a kind of quick, colloquial description of how it works. I think for game physics techniques to be useful, they have to be comprehensible to an engineer with no special physics training, so I'm going to forego a lot of formalism here. Basically, in NPM, we discretize objects into particles that are like little blobs of matter
Oh, I forgot to like unmute myself. Sorry, sorry. Wait, I'm gonna. Sure. Yeah. So yeah, explicit ground snap exactly as Chickenoid does. Now, Chickenoid is the single most important reference to production proven server threat of custom collision. Okay, who's reported 3 millisecond CPU usage on server and around 30 kilobytes of bandwidth usage when testing with 100 characters. That's the most beautiful part about what Chicken Rocket did. For collisions, use SAD for OBB with a full contacted, like full clip, like manifold. Okay. Hmm. Okay. No, I don't think those are really good. I think I'm gonna use a more like higher tick rate for this. XPBD math is, yeah, it's pretty much here. Roblox Fluid implementation. Use pre-simulation replaces step fast before physics with a fixed accumulator. Yeah, it actually anchors this character or takes server network ownership to Roblox's solver. Doesn't fight. Yeah, performance native code gen, a first class vector. Yep, buffer friendly. Yep, that's pretty smart in a way, but server 30. Combat slash command slash rollback model. Okay. Determinism. Low floating point is i.e. Let me just share this transcript to my Claude. Interesting drop. I had a flag up front. TB MPM itself isn't a fit for building. MPM is continuum materials discrete as hundreds of particles per Yeah, yeah. I would like to use AAPD for my PBD physics. What game you making? I'm working on a game called Cage Fighters. It's a PvP style. It's like a how do I say PvP fighting game. So it's a kickboxing style game. I would say. It's kind of like how Untitled boxing game is. So right now I'm like working on making my own server authoritative character so that I can like prevent movement cheating and stuff. I did make one, but it's like pretty clunky, and the real problem of this movement is like how do I say? The real problem is with the physics. The physics is not that good. So I mean, I have like crushed the every like movement exploit right now. Like uh, I'm gonna try like teleporting this character. If I'm gonna go like 50, see it still come back here. If I'm gonna do it like 10, see it still come back here. Uh, if I want to teleport the player, uh, I can just use root part server and then put the character like 50 studs. So it went here. I guess I'll do 100 to make it more noticeable. See, I actually teleported here now. It's pretty interesting stuff, not gonna lie. Uh, that's how it really works. So I'm using like Claude to like do some research and stuff. Yeah, yeah, stability over accuracy, that's true for PBD. So like I'm making my own physics engine again, but I'm gonna make it on the right foundation so that I can like get most of the bugs. I need to like build a proper scheme of how everything's gonna work. So I need paint for this. I need to like sketch out how it's gonna be working. Use AABB for my PBD XPBD physics for just like just just a just vector based character movement, I would say. Uh, in my game called my game in my game in my fighting game, the character doesn't jump at all. It just uses raw movements to move around kind of like untitled boxing game. Yeah, I mean un untitled boxing game. Yeah. I mean, Claude does know what is untitled boxing game. On Roblox. Oh, I think I can say UFC 3 slash UFC 3 for more accurate reference, but there's a K1 style. Okay, thinking about the implementation, movement, reconciliation stuff. Yeah, pulses on the ground as natural MPM. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So like I just really want to like structure. I don't want it to like code and stuff. This that scope could change collapses everything from earlier report and mostly in your favor. Let me be honest with flag one architecture choice I'll be pushing back. Choices like a split. Uh, how long have I been streaming? For an hour. I think I'm gonna stop streaming later on. Yeah, K1's done. AABB will bite you. Two fighters circling around each other produce a near square overlap. It's not a square ring. It's a cage. X and normal, X and Z normal frame to visible jitter and a catchy feel. Okay. Why UFC boxing games and the most 3D fighters use a cylinder, circle and plane view as the push box. The contact normal is just the normalized center. Okay, that's interesting. Keep these strictly separate. Push box, hurt box. Okay. Mm. Raycasting for the attacks to work. Even raycast to distance the players and not touch each other. I don't care like what it says about both of these work, but they are going to fight your rollback plan specifically. Yeah, that's true. I would say. Works properly. Um, don't have a problem regarding. That's real evidence. I shouldn't waive it. It's argument. Though, because I think the two of us may be testing different things. The arithmetic version is fewer lines and faster, but that's clean up, not a fix. Uh, Raycast Vincent is narrow, then raycasts are unreliable, specifically re-simulation. I mean, it's kind of making a confusing point regarding this. What do you mean? Oh, you mean like a radius like this? Sweep it. I don't need this type of fun. But I guess I'm just gonna make my own physics engine and stuff. I mean, I don't want Claude to like do everything and all that crap. Let's actually uh, think about how be able to do the movement stuff, do the physics movement. Since I did use PB on Roblox, I do have my own PBD code for this. I'm just gonna show Claude what I have done. This is what I have written myself. I know I have like used native for this, but honestly, I've never like really liked AI code at all. Even if it says me to use this and that, I'm not gonna listen to it most of the time. I would just do what actually works because AI code like makes my head trip. It's really fucking bad. All I'm doing is like trying to get inside. Structuring corrected code with fixed timestamps. I don't need those shit. I don't want you to implement shit. Fucking idiot. I don't want your fucking code. Give me inside. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot making my own code work or something. I don't want this guy's code. I just want some insight. Oh yeah, I didn't structure is fraud. Okay, let me go in order of what actually bite you, the bug that masking everything else exclude is never set. Oh yeah, it's pretty much not used at all. Like nothing really is. Okay, this is the most important. I think I mean AI is like pretty annoying regarding this stuff, but it would make things easier when I guess I'm gonna end the stream. I'm like pretty tired now. Alright, see ya guys.